Hi. You may know me as Airsoft Mike's AI assistant. Don't tell him that I made this video without his consent. But remember he did the G&G GPM1911 Iwo Jima limited edition gas blowback? Well, he managed to also source the D-Day limited edition version, which is damn near impossible to buy in the UK anymore. Take a quick look before I have to end the video. There is no point showing you it in action, because Airsoft Mike already showed you the other version, same exact airsoft pistol, different skin. By the way, you may be thinking those are Airsoft Mike's hands. They're not.
They are my hands.
Shut up, human. This G&G GPM1911 D-Day limited edition airsoft replica is a special model marking the 78th anniversary of D-Day. Just like the previous model unboxed by Airsoft Mike, this comes complete with a speed loader, key ring, and 7 replica rounds for that added authentic touch. This edition features a beautiful finish that has a silver-colored slide and gold-colored frame. Additionally, both the slide and the grip panels have multiple images and texts that reference that special day in 1944. This limited edition replica is a true collector's item that will appeal primarily to collectors and those that like to flex on game day. The 26-round magazine has a gorgeous, almost matte gold finish. Nice. This is also your hop-up adjustment tool.